Hi YouTubers, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how to properly wash and detangle this mess to promote hair growth. If you like this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more great content. Make sure you have a wide tooth comb so you can detangle your hair with. Then you want to make sure you part your hair into 4 sections like so you can make sure that you're making your hair more manageable and easy to work with. And don't forget to get 4 butterfly clips because you will need these to secure each section. Just begin by twisting each of your sections up, and then you're going to clip the hair that's sectioned off, and then you're just going to repeat the same thing for the other 3 sections. Now we're going to get our spray bottle and just spray a generous amount of water on the section one at a time. And don't forget, ladies, this is just regular water. There is nothing added. There's no special conditioners or anything in there. It's just regular tap water. When I do this, I'm making sure I lift some of the hair as I go through so that I can really get everything damp. After you wet your hair thoroughly, I use some of the Cream of Nature conditioning treatment to put on it the entire section, just to make sure that I'm getting my ends well and I'm coating the rest of the hair as much as possible. If you feel like you're starting to get some knots, when you're running your hands through, then just make sure you're spraying and getting it wet and just kind of detangle as you go. That'll help you with the comb out process. And ladies, don't forget, you will shed, so this is normal. Don't worry. Now take your wide tooth comb and detangle, but make sure to start at the ends and work your way up the hair, all the way up to the roots. Then you're going to split that section of hair into 2 pieces and twist it one section over the other. Grab the tip of your hair and just reclip that section up once you're done with it, and repeat this process to the additional sections. Once you've finished, your hair should look like so. This is about the amount of hair loss I had after detangling all 4 sections. It's okay to shed. I am using the Cream of Nature Argan Oil shampoo line, and I'm just removing the clip, drenching my hair, and adding shampoo to it. Now we're ready to wash. You want to make sure you're using a generous amount of shampoo and lathering that first section. Each time I do use about the same amount of shampoo for each of the 3 washes. Like I said, you're going to do this process 3 times for each section. Depending on how dirty your hair is, you may only need to do 2. The Cream of Nature Argan Oil shampoo and conditioner can be found at your local beauty supply, Walmart, or even online at Amazon. And I did put the link in the description below, so be sure to check that out. Make sure when you're washing your hair, you want to get your edges and your roots to clear out any dandruff and dirt that you may have. Do this by sticking your hands in the roots and just scratching at the scalp and then pull them out. I want to repeat, stick your fingers in the roots, wash your scalp, and then pull them out. Do not, and I repeat, do not swirl your hands in a circular motion. This will cause a lot of tangling for you and a mess to detangle in the end. When I'm rinsing my hair, I like to separate my hair while the water runs through it because it helps me with detangling. And this is definitely a process that, you know, will help in the end. Once you've completely washed the section all 3 times, get your Cream of Nature condition and coat your hair from the tips all the way up to the roots completely. And begin to coat your hair starting at the bottom and working your way all the way up to the top using that reverse detangling technique I showed you in the pre-wash. Make sure you're detangling well, ladies. Again, don't freak out about the hair loss because braids will cause you to have additional hair loss due to the restriction of not being able to shed while it's in the braids. Split that clean hair into 2 and 2-strand twist it, then wrap it back up, clip it, and move on to the next section. I washed the last 2 sections off camera because I'm sure you guys get it by now. Get a cap or bag to cover your hair with and deep condition for 30 minutes. And in my case, a Walmart bag. You don't have to be fancy, ladies. Remove the bag and then we're going to rinse each section. I'm using that same rinsing technique to make sure my hair is detangled. Then comb through your hair one last final time while it's drenched to get any of the stray hairs out. Twist that section back up after you've rinsed it and then clip it. I'm moisturizing with the Cream of Nature Mango and Shea Butter Leave-In and the Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Cream. Now that I've moisturized the section, if you'd like to check out how I turned this wash into a bomb natural style, make sure to check out my next video on achieving this look, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment your thoughts.